Are you a die-hard romantic?
I think I am.
Yeah, he
I
is.
think I romanticize things that don't need to be romanticized also.
और आप किस टाइप की रोमांटिक हैं?
हूँ भी नहीं भी हूँ मतलब
Yeah,
नहीं
आजकल की
sorry
लड़कियां ना।
I take it back मैं हूँ
One of the biggest things that could have scared you is the criticism from Bengalis,
Yes.
saying that यार वो तो बंगाली लगती ही नहीं है,
Correct.
सुनाई नहीं देती.
Correct.
But as a non-Bengali, I'd
Yeah.
like to say that you convinced me.
पक्का
How do you bring that romance when it's not visceral, when it's not in front of each other?
We live dual lives.
if I meet him am I going to like him is he going to like me is he going to like me the way I look in front of him
Correct. You fall in love with the entire aura of the person, not just their digital presence. Then not just a romantic
Any relationship.
Any relationship will not be able to bear the brunt of that.
it, yes, absolutely. What is the real reason why you said, I want to do this film?
You know,
Love stories are back, and I can't be happier. My name is Rotox, and you're with me on Just Too Filmy. And I'm sitting really early in the morning in Mumbai's BKC area with two of my absolute favorites, like I must say on the screen.
How sweet, Rotox.
Fatima and Maddie. Okay, first of all, I have to talk about both of your looks. Okay, you look like Chandni today, this morning.
Yeah, she
Ethereal,
does.
gorgeous. I really love the aesthetic that your styling has put together for you through this phase. It's gorgeous, and you've had a shave, and that's all men need to do for these compliments. How is it? I remember when we met at the trailer launch. खेती काफी बड़ी थी आपकी.
जी, जी, जी.
लेकिन आपने कल ही fresh shave किया है.
हाँ, बस घर की खेती है.
But you know what's
रोल के
amazing
हिसाब से, हाँ.
is exactly like in the film, when you shave, you just go back to being Maddie from
so true.
Rena. That's amazing.
Good genes, I guess.
It's amazing. I want to start with you and ask you, how has romance in the movies changed since Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein to Aap Jaisa Koi?
I think the modus operandi of getting into romance in Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein was very different because it was not a social media, mobile phone culture place.
Correct.
So if you had to pursue a girl, you had no choice but to stalk and send a letter or see if she's interested or not in the most decent way possible. Whereas now, getting in touch with somebody over an app or a social media is so much easier.
Correct.
And everybody lives dual lives, one on the digital world and one in the real world. So that has changed dramatically, and that's what we've shown in the film in terms of how loneliness is handled and how romance kicks in at whatever age, and you still behave like teenagers when it kicks in for the first time.
In fact, one of the most beautiful lines in the film is that a lonely person looks the same when they're happy or sad.
Correct.
हाँ, अकेला
हाँ.
इंसान खुश है उदास same से
वैसे ही दिखता है. हाँ.
Like that line is so beautiful.
It's so true, na?
Yeah.
So true. हाँ.
Yeah. And then I actually took a moment and I felt like Raj Kapoor in my house. And I stood in front of the mirror and I said, I was happy and then I was sad. And I said, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
it's so weird.
Yeah.
How does it feel to have lines that actually are deeper? एक अलग मजा है. I'm sure, Fatima,
yeah,
for you.
without it being very dialogue-y
Yeah.
कि है बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से और सतर्क तरीके से बोला गया है पर उसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत डीप है एंड आई थिंक इट्स इन द एंड द थॉट दैट मैटर्स आप कितना भी फ्लावरी कर लो आप कुछ भी बोल दो बट अगर थॉट ही नहीं है सोल ही नहीं है उन शब्दों में तो फिर मैटर नहीं करता
यार मैंने तुम्हारी 2 फिल्में बैक टू बैक देखी तो मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है
मुझे भी
You've just had a film that's out in the theaters and this is going to be out on Netflix. Do you feel it's a fun time for you? Have you waited a long time for this?
No, I'm happy. I've been working last year, so I'm just glad that all of my work is coming out. मैंने expect नहीं किया था कि back to back होगा, but ये मेरा historical रहा है. All my two projects come back to back.
Amazing.
So I'm glad, and I hope people like both the performances, and both are very love stories, but both are very different.
Yes.
And shot also differently, and the emotions are also touched very differently.
Absolutely. I must say that you bring such a likableness to a character who's actually, अगर मैं उनसे मिलती real life में, I wouldn't like them, but only you can make him likable. How do you do that?
I think that's what the idea for the director was. इसको black and white नहीं paint करते हैं. I think the same thing happened with Netflix series called Decoupled also.
Yes. Oh my God, yes.
where the way the character looks at life is he's not passing judgment, he's only observing.
Yes.
In this one also, he's just a product of his conditioning. He wants to change, he doesn't want to offend. The beauty of it is, in one part of his life, he considers his bhabhi like his mother, जो हमारे देश में हमेशा
बहुत
होता
है,
है, जो
बिल्कुल।
और किसी देश में ये नहीं होता, किसी और कल्चर में ये नहीं होता. तो एंड किसी और कल्चर में ना हमारे रिश्तेदारों के लिए अलग अलग नाम नहीं होते, लाइक फूफा, दादी, चाची, मामा. You have a dadi and a nani, two well-defined relationships, and everybody lives according to that tag, right?
Yes.
So to make this guy acceptable at the same time, like you said, if you had met him, and if the same guy was very talkative, was wearing Western clothes, was a guy with a wine in his hand, and he expressed the same ideas, you'll instantly hate him. कि या तो बहुत ही misogynistic टाइप का बद्दा है,
क्योंकि एक्सपोजर है, सब कुछ
exposure है,
उसके
इसके बावजूद
ऐसा
ऐसा है. But if it's a guy from a small town in Jamshedpur, he doesn't know that he's offending, and he realizes that he's offending. That's what makes him acceptable. So I think it was entirely the director's play and the way he wanted to, show me. If I had kept a beard, maybe I would have looked weirder. He wanted,
Or
I
bearder.
Wanted, or bearder, right?
Correct. It's not easy to play a Bengali woman
No.
because the Bengalis are very particular
Yeah.
about their Bengaliness.
Yes.
And they look absolutely
Banglaness.
stunning. The Banglaness. So, to yaar looking like a Bengali woman, okay, which in itself is so beautiful. But the second part and the hard part is to sound like one of them.
Yeah.
One of the biggest things that could have scared you is the criticism from Bengalis
Yes.
saying that yaar wo to Bengali lagti hi nahi hai,
Correct.
sunai nahi deti.
Correct.
But as a non-Bengali, I'd
Yeah.
like to say that you convinced me.
Pakka?
Yeah, because I'm not Bengali, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So maybe somebody who's sitting here who's Bangla will probably give you better feedback.
Correct, correct.
But I want to ask you, who were your sort of dialect or training coaches, or did you have to train for it?
एक्चुअली जो मेरी फैमिली है फिल्म में वो सब एक्चुअली में बंगाली है.
जी हाँ.
तो उनसे बात करके, उनसे पूछ के, कॉल करके कैसे बोलना है. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव रियलाइज्ड देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ बंगाली वुमेन. Either they are very expressive or they are very poised. You know, they even express the most aggressive thought or their deepest emotion with a stoic face.
Like Sharmila Tagore.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was very. Now this was the choice that Vivek and myself we decided to pave because it's interesting. कि बिना चिल्ला के, बिना कुछ करके, बिना रो धो के, भय भय करके, but you still are touching the emotion. That's what we were trying to achieve, and I hope like it's landed okay.
Yeah, I mean, there's Bengali and there's French, and
Yeah.
there's quite a bit going
Yeah.
on there. I think it's lovely. I also feel the strength of the
How
ensemble.
hot is a Bengali woman who's speaking French?
खत्म मतलब खत्म कर दिया आप
घायल,
लोगों ने. Seriously. I also like the fact that there is a sense of today, right? Because the truth is, and one of the biggest things about the film is how the two of you meet. And without giving too much away, I do want to say that ये modern जो meet cute है वो कितना अलग है.
Correct.
You know, जब हम फिल्में देखते थे when we were growing up, लड़का लड़की का मिलना used to be obviously very physical, right? Like she walks in, the hair's flying. It's very different now, okay?
Yeah.
And still you have to bring the same romance. How do you bring that romance when it's not visceral, when it's not in front of each other? Do you have to think about that ever?
Like I said in the beginning of the interview, we live dual lives. I could be on WhatsApp text with you and get really familiar and talk out fairly intimate stuff and think that really matters to me and matters to you. But when we meet in person, when it's visceral, you don't know what familiarity to take it off from.
Correct.
The familiarity of actually meeting for the first time in person or the familiarity we've established in the conversation.
That's so true.
Right?
Yeah.
So with love also, no matter how familiar you've become on digital platform, when you meet the person, there is a sense of smell, a sense of being in the presence
of,
the
yeah.
vibe, the
energy,
positivity or the
space
negativity.
between each other
Yeah.
or the lack of it.
Or the lack of it.
Or the
actually.
chemistry, as they say.
Chemistry is a very real thing.
Yeah.
It's not a. So that will largely determine how the relationship
So
proceeds
true.
from there.
Because once I was engaging with somebody and largely the relationship was over a call. Because
Yeah.
I was working, he was working, and we were meeting after 3 months of engaging like दिन और रात 8-8 9-9 घंटे सिर्फ बात कर रहे हैं. But I was so nervous to meet that person, and because I didn't know if we are going to connect when we meet.
Correct.
Because that's the truest test of a relationship. If I meet him, am I going to like him? Is he going to like me? Is he going to like me the way I look in front of him?
Correct.
Or like, digitally, phone pe to phone alag hota hai na. So it was a beautiful experience to even experience that.
Absolutely.
And it's just a one-way conversation when you're with somebody on text. And but when I meet you in person, I see how she behaves with other people also.
Yeah.
How does she treat the waiter? How does she acknowledge somebody who's helping her? And things like that can turn you off or can on, right?
Yeah.
So so when the question is, you fall in love with the entire aura of the person, not just their digital presence.
You have, in real life, you have one of the craziest love stories.
Yeah.
Where you said once that you dreamt of your wife sitting in your living room with 3 of your kids, and you guys hadn't even been engaged as yet.
Correct.
And that's
No, we weren't even going around.
You weren't even going out.
Yeah. Huh.
You didn't know this?
No, I didn't know this story.
So she was part of our group, and I had a dream that Sarita and I were married, and she was sitting in the living room with 3 daughters of mine.
Wow.
मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? ऐसा कोई सपना दिखता है क्या?
So beautiful.
But I must say, I absolutely, it gives me a glimpse into the sort of person you are. Are you a die-hard romantic?
I think I am.
Yeah, he
I
is.
think I romanticize things that don't need to be romanticized also.
Really?
Yeah, I romanticize my car. I'm one of those guys, na. I'll give you an insight. अगर मैं घर जा रहा हूँ और मैंने जूते खोल दिए और मैं एक जूता दूसरे जूते के ऊपर ऐसा लड़खाया हुआ है, तो मैं वापस आऊँगा एंड आई विल मेक इट श्योर इट्स ओके कि मेरे को लगता है कि रात को बेचारे पूरे ऐसा ऐड में कैसा रहेंगे वो लोग, उनको साथ में रहने दो यार. मैं वो टाइप का रोमांटिक हूँ.
बहुत cute.
कि एक दूसरे को चेहरे देख बचपन से ये था.
और आप किस टाइप की रोमांटिक हैं?
मुझे हूँ भी नहीं भी हूँ, मतलब
ये नहीं भी हूँ का क्या मतलब है? ये
actually
सारी
हूँ.
ये
नहीं,
आजकल की
sorry,
लड़कियां ना.
I take it back. मैं हूँ.
Thank
मैं
you.
बहुत हूँ. I like very intense, love. I like to love and I want to be loved. It has to be expressed. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता अगर आप शब्दों में बोल रहे हो और एक्शन में नहीं. तो मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. भाई दिखाओ. अपने दिमाग में प्यार कर रहे हो तो वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. I will, cross borders for you. तो करके दिखाओ.
अच्छा. So
हाँ,
you're
it is-
someone who says, show me the.
Show it to
Yeah,
me
yeah,
because
yeah.
I will. If it's right.
Yeah. Your film is about equality in love, which I think is, until now, in our movies, it's never been talked about. And I think that's the freshness to it. But individually, do you think equality in love is important or possible?
I think it is, but you'll have to define what that equality is. For instance, in my house, my mother was highly ambitious, extremely successful, very capable of surpassing my father in terms of her potential, in terms of where she could have reached. My father was working for a company, and he was very happy, and he was, the provider for the house as far as my mother was concerned. But my mother never wanted to supersede. She said, I'll be the aggressive front in my work. I'll take on the world. But I need to go back home and feel that I'm being taken care of by somebody. And so she chose her equality to be like, this man is going to take all the decisions on the finance and where the kids are going to study and how much you're going to spend on everything, whatever it is. This is my area and I'll spend on how we should enjoy the rest of our lives. And for them, that demarcation was very clear.
Beautiful.
From an outside perception from today, it looked like, Arey, why did the man not allow his wife to become more than just a general manager? He should have encouraged her. But my dad never stopped her. She chose that to be, and she said, "नहीं मेरे को अरे, I don't want to take a transfer because मैं बच्चों से दूर हो जाऊंगी, मेरे पति से दूर हो जाऊंगी और मुझे पति के नीचे रहना है, बस." So that freedom of choice, I think, is what equality is. That the freedom to decide. But if you put everything in a box and then everybody starts fighting for their own rights about what their perceived freedom is, then not just a romantic any relationship will not be able to bear the brunt of that.
It, yes, absolutely.
Actually, what you like he said कि equality दोनों के लिए क्या है और वो boundaries बहुत खुली भी हो सकती है, बंद भी हो सकती है. In one relationship, maybe an open relationship is the right boundary. but for somebody that it's something unimaginable.
100%, yeah.
वो वहाँ पे अगर आप मैच कर रहे हो तब इट्स एन इक्वल रिलेशनशिप. आई थिंक वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस को मैच करना, आइडियोलॉजीज को मैच करना और सेम पेज पर होना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. बट ज़रूरी नहीं है आप दोनों सेम जगह से आ रहे हो. समटाइम्स व्हेन यू मीट पीपल and something happens where both of you evolve together. You learn new things through the other person, your boundaries changes, other person's boundaries changes, and that is what true companionship is also.
Absolutely.
है ना?
Sometimes, very correct, very true. I'm giving an example, ठीक है? I just figured out. अब एक birthday celebration for a man who's above 40 ना, उसके लिए कोई अहमियत नहीं रखता. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. कोई बंदे को कहा कि आज बर्थडे नहीं करते, खाली फैमिली के साथ बैठ गए, लाइक वेरी हैप्पी. पर अगर उसी तरीके के सेलिब्रेशन आप कहते हो कि वही करें अपनी वाइफ के लिए भी ना, वो इतनी ऑफेंड हो जाएगी
जी हाँ.
कि वहां पर भी इक्वालिटी मत दिखाओ. She wants to celebrate her 40th, she wants to celebrate her 50th, she wants the you know the rigmatas and all that. But for the guy, it has no value. तो वहाँ पे हम इक्वालिटी दिखाएंगे. लड़के अगर कह रहा है कि नहीं तुम्हारे बर्थडे में तुम नहीं किया, यही हम करेंगे, तो फिर तो उसका कोई लिमिट ही नहीं. वो 100% लड़ाई पे शुरू हो जाएगा.
100%, बिल्कुल.
वो इक्वालिटी हम नहीं देख सकते डायरेक्ट वाला.
Yeah.
सो बट अगर बंदे को बाइक चाहिए और वाइफ ने कहा ले लेना यार, तू इतना हार्डवर्क करता है, ले लेना, वो जिंदगी भर के लिए उसकी दासी बन जाएगा.
I love your example.
मजाक नहीं कर रहा.
Boys are very simple. I've
वो
realized.
चीज है ना. हाँ, if my I like for example I fell in love with my wife terribly when I said baby I have 2 bikes but I want one more bike. She said you work so hard, किसके लिए करते हो, खरीद ले. यार सही औरत से शादी की मैंने.
Bilkul. What is the real reason why you said, I want to do this film? Now you can't take time, huh?
You know,
It's your film.
I just you know, when I started this story, I thought I'll be able to pull off a romantic story at the age I was, because I was looking for an age-appropriate romance. Maybe my last chance to do romance before I have to give it up completely. That's why.
Oh my God. So sweet.
That's true though.
But you just keep shaving, that's it. You know your superpower.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Shave karte ho. I'm very, very small.
हाँ, the moment he shaves, you're like back to romantic films.
Yeah.
है ना?
For you?
Bit difficult है यार.
एक तो रोमांटिक फिल्म करने का मौका मिल रहा था और स्क्रिप्ट भी बहुत प्यारी थी. एंड वर्किंग विद मैडी, सो आई वाज लाइक ये सब कॉम्बिनेशन सही बैठ रहा है, इक्वेशन सही है, चलो
Chalo kar lo.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I think more than anything else, what you all have done is also chosen a film that is going to show us a new way of accepting each other.
Correct.
And I think that's the reason why I would recommend the film. So congratulations on
Thank
Aap
you.
Jaisa
Thank
Koi.
you so much.
And thank you so much for your time today.
And for the fun interview. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Just do